Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. What we're working with is an 06 Ford F250 Lariat crew cab short bed Powerstroke. 60 degrees this morning out here in Kansas City, so beautiful day to do a cold start. Not very cold, but truck is not run or drove today. We pulled it out this morning, parked it, let it sit. Here we are. That's the type of cold start we're doing. As you can see on the gauges, cold and cold. 238,069 on the miles. Truck fires right up. No problems, no issues. This is a heck of a truck right here. Super clean, super nice Lariat Powerstroke. Wood trim, digital climate control AC, upfitter switches, trailer brakes, 6-disc in-dash CD changer. We got your AC climate controls on the steering wheel, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seats, heated seats, every option except for the sunroof. And we even got an aftermarket DVD player in it with a drop-down TV. Super cool truck. Road tripping machine right here, tinted windows. Let's see. Everything works as it should. I mean, this truck is head to toe perfect. Motor is stock. It's 100% the way Ford made it, with the exception of a 4-inch MBRP exhaust and an EGR delete. Power sliding rear window, which does work. 4-wheel drive, parking sensors, which do work. Nice cold AC. I'm going to crank that up. It's actually getting kind of warm out here. Radio. Everything works as it should. Didn't get a lot of volume there, but get the idea. Really nice truck. It's got a console in the middle. It's Lariat, so seating for 5. 3 in the back, 2 in the front. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let's hop outside, pop the hood, walk around the body, and check out what else we got going on. Like I said, stock motor with an EGR delete and an exhaust. That's the only thing. So we'll be getting into that right here. Just pop the hood real quick. Big old Thunderstruck front bumper on it as well. I did not clean under the hood at all. A little bit dirty. Brand new up pipe. Like I said, the exhaust looks new. Absolutely zero blow by. We're on a stock tune with just an EGR delete. No extra power at all. It's got a newer radiator in it as well. Nice soft toes. Like I said, stock head bolts. I'll show you just because I show you the aftermarket ones. So that's a stock head bolt. Sorry, I can't get my camera and find it at the same time. There you go. But the truck's been serviced. Everything on it. Fuel filters, everything. Oil change, it's good to go. Harley Davidson headlights and a Thuderstruck front bumper replacement. It looks to be in like new condition. It's not dinged up or bent at all. We got a set of Ion 141 20x12 wheels, negative 44 offset, wrapped in 35-inch 1250/20 tires, brand new with the nipples, amp all-terrains, 30,000 or 40,000 mile tread warranty. Got a 3-inch leveling kit, fully rebuilt front end suspension, alignment and everything has been done. This truck is super clean. It is not beat up or rusted or anything. Paint fade on the door guards, super common because they don't get applied well. There's no scratches, dings, or dents in this body. It is glassy nice. Rockers and cab corners are the same. David Griesel at Griesel Motors actually sold this truck a few years back. His dealership sticker's on the back of it, or at least it was when we got it. He's a buddy of mine. I contacted him. He pulled this truck out of Oklahoma a few years back. So it's a southern truck. It does have a Kansas title, but it came from the south. It's got new shocks. No rust on that bed. Look at that thing. Clean as a whistle. So a southern rust-free truck with a beautiful frame and bed, cab corners, rockers, brand new 20-inch Ion chrome wheels, brand new 35s. You do have some rock chips here. This is about the worst I'm going to show you, is a couple of rock chips. The bumper had a little dent in it when I got it. And you know me, guys, I put these 2015 rear bumpers on anything if I have a reason to. So I got the 2015 bumper with the sensor holes, and I swapped all the sensors over and had it painted to match the gold, Albuquerque gold on the bottom there. So it's professionally painted and cleared. Tailgate, kind of dusty, but you can see it just coming off when I wipe it. There's a little dinger right there from backing into something, nothing huge. 4-inch exhaust sounds great. Truck's been in the shop, so it's a little dusty. Same story over here, no rust on the bed. Cab corner, brand new looking condition, like day one new. Well taken care of truck. Very well taken care of. This thing is clean and nice. Hard loaded. Let's take a look at that entertainment system. I didn't really got to mess with it. It's got a drop down screen. I'll get you a model number here so you can see what's going on. Movies to go. It's got a built-in DVD player. It all powers on and looks like it's working. I don't have a DVD to check it, but it pops on when I hit the power button, so it seems to be in perfect working condition. Sweet little add-on for the kiddos or for road trips or whatever might have you. All in all, guys, you can tell this truck is in great condition. I mean, there's no body damage, there's no serious dents, there's no rust, there's no mechanical faults, brand new wheels and tires. I mean, we try to put out a good product, and I think this one speaks for itself. We did the Harley Davidson headlights, we smoked out the mirror lenses, we smoked out the third brake. It's all been done, guys. So if you are interested in this bad boy, head on over to 816diesel.com. Our website has all the information, pictures, VIN number, pricing, anything you're going to want to know about this truck will be found on my website. So 816diesel.com, check it out. If you want to call us and get a hold of us direct, shop number 816-298-7030. We're located downtown Kansas City, right where I-70 meets I-35. My cell phone number is 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. Give me a holler if you got any questions or if you want to come check it out. There's not a lot of bad to find, so it will not disappoint. So let me know what I can do to help, guys. As always, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.